Hey sneaker buddies, welcome back to the Sneakers Library. So Nike has finally heard all our complaints about the Nike Court Vision Alta, and finally they've done something about this uncomfortable, toes killer, feet wrecking, most annoying sneakers that's ever been made. So good news to everyone. Nike has finally done something new, which is by rebranding the old Nike Court Vision Alta, by changing the fabric, by making it more comfortable, by making it more breathable. As in, guys, and they, this is strictly for the ladies, like, in different colors, about 6 colors so far. And I can tell you that I'm liking this. Talk about the upgrade, and then like Nike, like they're angry, like they vexed, and then went back to their creative board, spoke to their designers and be like, we need to do something about this because this design is just too epic to be a flop. And finally they heard us. That is what customers want. They want to be heard. I'm so elated about this new design that, I'm, talking my ears off. So let's get back to the shoes. So these sneakers, I love the upper fabrics, hands down. The pull tab at the back is so insane. Now talk about the dope transparent design, or the detail at the side. It's super sexy. I like this. It's so classy. And then the toe box is woven and it makes it soft and breathable. And what we've been expecting of Nike, what we know that Nike is capable of delivering. Like they went back to the drawing board and they'll be like, yo, we can do better, and then they delivered. Like, yo, I'm super excited about this. And has any one of you seen this so far out there? Have you gotten one for yourself? What's your thought about this new Nike Court Vision Alta? Because I'm feeling it, like, honestly. I've been to different Nike outlets here in Turkey, and these shoes are not available yet. So if any one of you have, actually come in contact with these shoes, if you've tried it on, please drop a comment down below and let me know the comfortability ratio of these sneakers. What do you think about it? What do you feel about the design? Are you going to be buying this? I like the fact that they maintained the platform heels of these sneakers, but they changed everything about the upper to make it worthy of our hard-earned money. Finally, we have a perfect alternative for the Nike Air Force One. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Catch ya!